Hi, I'm Katie Bochnowski. I am the VP of Services at NowSecure, and within my department, we do both product support as well as mobile app pen testing. How I got started in mobile forensics. So back in undergrad at Purdue, it was my final semester, getting ready to graduate and get done with school, and one of the electives was a mobile forensics course. Thought it sounded fun, took it, and got to work closely with local law enforcement on investigations and things that related to mobile devices in that way. So kind of fast forward from there, that's how my interest first got started. NowSecure works with our customers and prospects to help secure their mobile app environment or mobile device environment. The end goal is, of course, to make the apps safe and secure for end users to use, whether it's mobile banking or healthcare or really anything that handles someone's personal information. We want to make sure that that app is safe and secure on those devices. I'm a bit biased, but we have the best pen testers as it relates to mobile. When we recruit, we look for very specific types of skills in a security analyst that we know are required to pen test mobile apps specifically. So there is some overlap between the type of pen testing done for web apps, for example, but a lot of the qualities that we look for are things like reverse engineering, forensic analysis. So if you really understand the mobile ecosystem and know how to pull data off of those devices, that's a good groundwork to lay before you build on top of that for the other skills. So our team consists of analysts that have specialties in each of those different areas that cover the entire mobile attack surface. And that's why our team kind of stands out above others, because we kind of build out that team so that they're well-rounded and have each of those unique capabilities. I think NowSecure is products are differentiated because we did what others thought was too hard to do, and we stuck with it because we knew that in the long run it would be worth it. And what I mean by that is there's a lot of tools out there that do static analysis, or that just do network analysis, or that just do mobile forensics. But what we know is important to do in order to really secure a mobile app, we know that it's important to cover that entire mobile app attack surface. And I remember, back when we were talking about trying to automate some of this, I remember thinking, we can't automate this. There's no way you can automate, dynamic analysis. That's what a security analyst is for. That's what a human being is for. And to a certain extent, that's always going to be true. However, we were able to automate man-in-the-middle tests. We were able to automate things that I never thought would be possible to do due to our smart guys on the research team and really the whole company kind of pitching in and putting their minds together and building something. So in my opinion, NowSecure is a great place to work for a few different ways. One, I can tell you that I feel like I've had 7 or 8 different jobs over the course of the almost 10 years that I've been here, because you're never doing the same thing. Things are always progressing. Starting off doing peer services, pen testing, and kind of growing into more cross-functional roles is something that we oftentimes see our employees do. There's a lot of room for growth as we're growing. I like to tell my support analyst or my security analyst, you come in, you get your feet wet in one role. If you learn from doing product support that you want to be a product manager, there's opportunity there. Or if you want to be on the sales side doing sales support, you can do that. So there's a lot of different opportunities to grow in your career here, and I think that's one of the strongest points about working for NowSecure.